The Organisations tab is where you can manage your organisation's users and create sub-customers for your company. The functionality here is consistent whether you're managing your own organisation or you are a sub-customer. Let's start by navigating to your organisation. To edit your organisation's primary details, click the cog icon on the Info tab. Here you can update your organisation's name, its primary email address, phone number, and its physical location. For admin users, you can also customise the support message that appears to your end users. This includes editing the support message text and adding a dedicated support email and phone number, which is particularly useful when managing sub-customers. Always remember to click Save. Your custom message will be visible to all your sub-customers. Next, let's manage users within your organisation. Go to the Users tab to see a list of all active users, their assigned roles and their verification status. The process of creating a new user or editing an existing one is the same. For this example, let's create a new user by clicking Add User. Enter the required details, first and last name, email and phone number, then assign a user role which determines their level of access and permissions. Let's go through the 3 available roles. Admin. An admin has full access to all Propitect features, including creating and modifying users, managing the organisation structure, and editing organisational details. Service Manager. The Service Manager has moderate access. They can view all assets within the organisation and any sub-customer assets. Assign technicians in both the Services and Alarms tab, receive notifications, and manage asset service requirements. Technician. The technician has limited access. Technicians can open the Service tab, use the Service Now button to complete and record a service, and leave comments for the Service Manager on alerts and services. Each user can also have notification preferences, allowing them to receive alerts and alarms via email and/or SMS. When a new user is created with a valid email address, Propitect automatically sends a verification email. If the email expires or is misplaced, you can resend it using the arrow icon next to their name. Users that are verified will appear with a tick icon beside their details. The final 2 tabs are Assets and Devices. These display all assets and devices allocated to the selected organisation. You can click any individual asset to open its management page. Now, let's look at creating a sub-customer. This feature is ideal for OEMs or service providers who sell Propitect systems to customers and want those customers to manage their own assets and devices. To create a sub-customer, click the hamburger menu and select Add Sub-Customer. Complete the required fields, including organisation details and optional support message information. Click Save, and the new sub-customer will appear beneath your organisation in the organisational hierarchy on the left. From here, create the first admin user for the new sub-customer, following the same process as before. You can then return to the Devices section and assign devices to the sub-customer, while still retaining full visibility as the parent organisation. To assign a device to a sub-customer, click the pencil icon next to the device. Change the device supplier to the sub-customer and click Save. Alternatively, you can create an asset first, then assign it to a sub-customer while retaining ownership. For example, if your organisation installs and services a monitoring system for a high-rise building, you may wish to keep the device ownership but allow the building manager access to view the data. From the Asset Info tab, click the pencil icon to reassign the asset owner, allowing both your organisation and the sub-customer shared access.